Guys, thanks for taking the time to have a look at this video on about tubular lockpicks. Today we're going to have a look at a 3-piece set from locksmithstoolbox.com. Great company, my company. 3-piece set for under $70, delivered in Australia. Machine aluminium, great componentry. I know you can drill these, you can get them open quite quickly, but if you're in commercial, you do hotel work, you come across these quite, you're going to be drilling for under $70, professional way, easier too in a lot of ways. It's a pick. Let's have a look here. Okay. Set the pick. Okay. Set the pick. And once you get all this set up, set pick. Rock it a bit, and there you go. Quite easy. Make sure you get it out. This and many other fine tools available from locksmithstoolbox.com. Come and check it out.